going to create something completely new and different. Take a look at this channel. It has over 228,000 subscribers and its videos are performing exceptionally well. Some videos have reached millions of views, while many others have hundreds of thousands of views. As you can see, it's a very successful channel. Now, the question is this channel monetized? Let's find out. I'll copy the channel link and analyze it. After checking, you can see that the channel is monetized. Based on available estimates, the channel's monthly earnings can range from several $1,000s to over $100,000 per month, depending on factors such as audience location, watch time, ad rates, sponsorships, and overall performance. Annual earnings can potentially reach into the seven-figure range for highly successful channels. The exciting part is that you can create similar videos yourself, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using free AI tools. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you can stay updated with more tutorials like this. Now, let's get started and learn how to create these outstanding AI videos step by step. First, open ChatGPT. Once you open it, you'll see something like this. Copy the green text and then paste it. After that, the first prompt says, "Send me the link." Paste the YouTube channel link there. ChatGPT will ask for the link, and the process is very simple. For example, open a YouTube channel, copy its link, and paste it into ChatGPT. You can also copy and paste 2 or 3 channel links. ChatGPT will automatically analyze the content, style, and cinematic elements of those channels. Next, there is a very important step. Copy the 3 red prompts and the green prompt at the end, then paste all of them together into ChatGPT. Once you submit them, ChatGPT will generate a 150-word story along with image prompts and video prompts. You can customize the number of prompts you want. For example, if you want 10 scenes, simply specify that in the green prompt, and ChatGPT will generate 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts accordingly. To generate images, open Leonardo.ai, click on Image Generation, and select the auto model. Set the image size to 9:16. The auto model is recommended because it allows you to generate more images efficiently. Copy an image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo.ai. The images will start generating. Repeat the process for all prompts and you'll have a complete set of high-quality images. As you can see, the results are impressive and visually appealing. Once all the images are ready, the next step is creating AI videos for free using a new website. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to use that website and turn your images into engaging AI-generated videos. Now, to create AI videos, we'll use a Chinese website called aistudio.tencent.com. If you'd like, you can also get the website link from me. When you open the website, everything may appear in Chinese. Don't worry, it's very easy to switch it to English. At the top of the page, you'll see a Chinese language option along with ENG. Simply click on it and the entire website will switch to English. Next, click on Login. Enter your email address and create a password. After entering your details, a verification code will be sent to your email. Copy that code and paste it into the verification field. Once you do that, your account will be successfully logged in. After logging in, go to the main dashboard and click on Multimodal Experience. Here, you'll see several options such as Hunyuan Video 1.5, Text to 3D, and more. We'll use the video generation feature. Upload the image you created earlier, then paste the video prompt generated by ChatGPT into the prompt box. After that, click Generate Now. The AI will begin creating your video. The first generation may take a little time, but once processing is complete, your video will be ready. You can repeat the same process for additional scenes. Simply upload another image, paste the corresponding video prompt, and click Generate Now again. Within a short time, another AI-generated video will be created. This is one of the easiest ways to create high-quality AI videos for free. Next, I'll show you another website that can also be used to generate AI videos with great results. The next website we'll use for creating AI videos is labsgoogle.com. It's an excellent platform, and I've used it many times before. When you sign up, Google Labs usually provides a generous amount of starter credits. After logging in, click on New Project to begin. First, upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, add the video prompt that was generated by ChatGPT. After entering the prompt, click Start or Generate. The AI will begin creating your first video automatically. As you can see, the first video starts processing and will be ready after a short wait. Once it's completed, you can move on to the next scene. To create another video, simply upload the second image and paste the corresponding video prompt. Click Generate again, and your second video will start rendering. Repeat the same process for all of your images and prompts. Using this workflow, you can quickly turn a complete set of AI-generated images into engaging videos. The results are often very impressive, with smooth motion and high-quality visuals. As you can see, the videos have been successfully created, and the final now, to generate AI voiceovers, will use unlimited AI tools, text-to-speech, which is a great platform for creating high-quality AI voices. You've selected your preferred voice, paste your script or story into the text box. After that, click on Generate. The AI will process your text and create a natural-sounding voiceover within seconds. When the generation is complete, your voice file will be ready to use. You can then download it and add it to your video during editing. Now, I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally and turn them into stunning cinematic AI videos with ease. For editing, I'll be using CapCut, one of the best video editing software options available. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for beginners. First, import your AI-generated videos and voiceover into CapCut, then start editing them professionally. CapCut comes with amazing features like smooth transitions, cinematic effects, filters, text animations, background music, and much more. Here, I'll add professional effects, sync the voiceover perfectly, and complete the final editing process. And that's it! Our cinematic AI video is now fully ready. You can watch the final result now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.